Hi, my name is Damon Serzishin, and you're watching a lap of the water ski pond at Lake Shirley on Murdoch Road, and that is the track that we're going to be racing on this weekend. This video is from last year, so I'm starting in 4th, and here's the start. I got a good start, but I see there's a little bit of traffic ahead of me, but I'm going to try and find a way through going into the first corner, and just sneak through there. Going into the first corner and see a little bit of understeer and oversteer to deal with, and now we're getting the car straightened out on the exit of that onto the straightaway. And then next comes a high-speed chicane where it's a quick right and then left, and there's going through the left. So now I'm setting the car up for the hairpin, and you got to pitch the car to the left and then bring it over to the right and get the back end sliding around so that it's pointed in the right direction. Now it's just manage the car, get the power down, and get out of that corner as quickly as possible for the other straightaway. Now we're back down the main straight and past the start finish line, in the lead now. And now setting up for the first corner again. So that's a lap and a half look at what to expect at this weekend's ice race.